I'm going to show you a way to add weight onto your dumbbells. Wait till the end. I'm going to show you another method that I used it before, but this is a 75-pound dumbbell, and what you're going to do is some gyms, they only go up to this amount of weight or even less. So what you can do is if you have a pair of lifting straps here, this is from Gym Reaper. I'll put a link in the description for this, or you can just use whatever lifting straps. But I'm going to put it around the head of this lighter weight dumbbell that you want to add. Say you want to add 20 pounds. You could add less. You could add 10 or 5 or whatever, or more. And I'm just doing this with one hand here, so it's taking a minute longer. But you go ahead and just cinch it up here. And I'm cinching it where it's going to be connecting to the other dumbbell. And I'll show you in a second here. So I cinched it around the top, and that's where it's going to be hanging from. And then I wrap it around this way, around the heavier dumbbell. And it's just taking me a little bit longer, but you wrap it around. You may ask, why don't you tie it? That gets in the way of your grip. So when you're holding it like this, I start at the bottom and move up, so that way your hand is on this. It's not going to come out. If your hand is on it, the weight is going to be creating that security there that you'll need. And as you can see, I'm pulling this up here. It's not going anywhere. It's just dangling. And this works for rows. I've done it for rows. And you can sit it this way on your knee if you're doing bench, as you just saw. It's hard to stabilize on that first rep, but after that, it's a little bit easier. So as you can see how I wrapped it here, you can wrap it however you want, but go ahead and check out this next video where I use bands to secure the extra weight, and I hope this video helped, guys.